hot, also reverse it into a black hot. We also have fuse, which overlays the heat over the colour, and then also the traditional flare that people see on movies and things like that.
My name's Sapper Alex Brown and I am from the Australian Army Drone Racing Team. Today we are here demonstrating 5-inch racing drones around the obstacle behind me.
G'day, I am Lance Corporal Daniel McCulloch. I'm a member of the Australian Army Drone Racing Team. My main fleet is the Impulse RC JS1, designed by Australian champion Thomas Fittmartin.
I'm Flight Lieutenant Jaden Hazeman and I'm here demonstrating freestyle on the obstacle course behind me.
That comes to the end of the Digitrek Roadshow. We've had a fantastic time visiting Roma, Dalby, Kingaroy and now Toowoomba, and we look forward to seeing you in the future.